Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter invite code in TikTok PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TikTok from your default browser. After that, what you want to do is click on your profile. From here, click on Create TikTok Effects and Get Reward, which is on the left side of your screen. Now, you will be redirected to the effect house. All you gotta do is click on Download for Windows. After the download has been completed, you'll be able to enter invite code. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I could come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.